Before we start this video, as you can see right here, I have gone to the dark side of using the iPhone. I am no longer gonna be an Android user right here. You see, I'm no longer gonna be using an Android device right here. I went to the dark side of using an iPhone right here. You see, this is the iPhone right here. Now, the features that now we're gonna be doing the unboxing of the iPhone right here. I'm going to be giving you an unboxing of this iPhone right here. You see, this is what it comes in the box. I'll talk about this later right here. I'll talk about this charger later. So now, what you get is the box right here. You see, it says iPhone. It has the iPhone logo right there, and then it has iPhone, and then again it has the logo and iPhone right here on the side. Now, you should see that the iPhone looks like this when it comes off, and when it comes in the box right here. You see the iPhone looks like this when it comes in the box right here. Now the back of it right here, it tells you the serial number and everything you have in the iPhone. I got the iPhone 12 mini and USB-C to Lightning. Now let's open the box right here. You see, this is what it comes in the box. I already set this iPhone up at the store right here. You see, now you wanna grab your iPhone and take the wrapping it has on the screen and on the back right here. This is what the iPhone 12 mini looks like right here. You see, this iPhone 12 mini doesn't have a headphone jack. It has the lightning port right here, and that's it. No more headphone jack. Then you can buy an adapter that has the wireless charging right here at the back of it. Right there. Let me put the iPhone aside for now. Right here. And you see, you have the paperwork right here in the iPhone box right here. You have the SIM tool right there. And you also have the iPhone sticker that always comes with your iPhone. And you have some paperwork that comes with your iPhone right here. This is straight and forward paper instructions for your iPhone right here. You see, you have instructions and the SIM tool and stickers right here. Now, the other thing you have is that you have the charger right here. You see that this is USB lightning cable right here. And then at the other end, you would think that it is USB, but like this right here. You would think that it's USB at the other end. But no, the charger has this USB-C right here. So that means that your charger, that your phone will charge faster right here using this using this USB-C to Lightning. Your phone will charge faster right here. And then in the box, you see that there's nothing else in the box right here. You see that why didn't they include a charger brick for your iPhone like they do with all the other models of the iPhone. They removed it just to save packaging and so that you have to spend more money in buying their products right here. This is what the charger looks like right here. This is USB-C to the wall outlet charger right here. Let me open it right here. Right there. I opened it and now let's take it out of the packaging right here. But before we do that, you have some little options right here. It says 20 watt USB-C power adapter. Adapters and right here. You see it says USB-C to this adapter right here. You see USB-C to this adapter right here. Now I'm going to take it out of the packaging right here. You see, this is what it comes in right here. Now you want to take it out of the packaging, and then this is what it will look like right here. This brick that make you charge more money for it, even though it doesn't come in the box. This is what it looks like connected. You see, you want to plug in the USB-C into this port right here. Plug it in. Then your iPhone is going to be charging when you connect it to the wall and to your iPhone. Now that's basically all the features and everything that you get with your iPhone right here. If you want to use your headphones with your Android, if you want to use your headphone with your iPhone device, you will not have the headphone jack on it anymore. You will have to use Bluetooth or buy the USB Lightning adapter to headphone jack adapter that they sell for your iPhone. Now let's look at the phone right here. This is the last thing we're going to be talking about is the smartphone. You see what the features it has and doesn't. You see it has the charger and the speakers are right here, and you have the screen right here. When you turn it on, it usually has tap to wake and it has lift to wake as well. You see, I'm lifting it up and it will turn on. And on the side you have the power adapter, you have right here for the SIM card right here. This is for the SIM card, and over here you have the silence mode, the power, the volume up, and the SIM card right here. This is the SIM card. This, I don't know what this is for, but this is probably for the Mac, for the charger right here that you can put right there. And here you have the power adapter. On the back you have the Apple logo right there. You do not have the Apple writing or the serial number at the bottom right here that says designed by Apple in California. You do not have that anymore. Here you have the two cameras right here. This is the regular camera in the wide angle camera right here, and here you have the flash and the microphone right there. And at the top you have nothing right here. And on the screen you have the speaker for the microphone for people to hear you when you're talking on the smartphone right here. And here you have the front facing camera, and over here I don't know if you can see it, but you have like a dots right here. You have dots right here. I don't know if you can see it, but you have 1, 2, and 3 dots. That's for your face ID to get recognized on your smartphone right here. Now the other thing you have is the screen size right here. The screen looks different than this Android smartphone right here. You see, this Android smartphone has the full screen mode on your Android device right here. Now, when you get your iPhone, your iPhone will not be like this Android where your phone will heat up after like 10 minutes of use. It will not heat up. Your iPhone will not heat up. Your Android will get warm to the touch when you're using it. So that's why I don't recommend you get Android on this for this purpose. I don't recommend you that you get Android. Now what you're going to be seeing is more videos on the iPhone right here. You're going to be seeing less videos on the Android, because if you see my channel is mainly full of Android videos right here, because that's the only smartphone I had at the time. Now that I have an iPhone, you're going to be seeing more iPhone videos to come in the future. So please subscribe, like, and comment down below what you think of this video.